I read an article in the Daily, well not really, but I heard. Apparently these building windows keep killing birds.
Yeah, this flyer says that tinted glass would be a good plan.
That's stupid. The solution's already in your hand. The birds are in need, cause the words they can't read.
Such a dumb way to die.
The glass is not more sky.
Your windows are idiocy. The problem is literacy.
They wouldn't explode into bits if they could read our pamphlets.
I took them to a library, but story time was bad.
They shat on the carpet
and said Madeline was sad.
but they were weirdly into the Goblet of Fire. They thought Cedric Diggory sounded hot.
Whatever gets them to read those flyers.
The birds are in need, cause the words they can't read. Such a dumb way to die. The glass is not more sky. New windows are idiocy. The problem is literacy. It wouldn't explode into bits if they could read a pamphlet.
Sing, little birdies. Speak your truth.
Cause the words they can't read.
She's reading Shakespeare.
Such a dumb way to
Wouldn't
die.
be deceased.
The glass is not more
His favorite word
Your windows are idiocy.
That's too hard.
The problem is literacy.
I'm sure they love the bar.
They wouldn't explode into bits. They wouldn't explode into bits.